Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing well. Today, got my hands on a bunch of battle styles in hopes of pulling either the Tyranitar alternate art or a few of the gold secret rares, because those are really beautiful. I think there's a Pokeball in this set, or at least one of the types of balls that you can get. So, why not try my luck? Like I said, I hope everybody's been doing well. I missed the last Sunday for an upload because I didn't have anything to upload, or anything to open. So, forgive me if you're by chance waiting for something, but I doubt it. Houndour, Scatterbug, Honedge, ooh, Reverse Shinx, and Galarian Slowbro. Let's go there. I do have a few videos that I want to try to do. Excuse me. I've been getting a few questions on Instagram about how I keep things sealed, so that was easily a video idea right there. So don't be surprised if you see that sometime soon. More Peko and Octillery. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys have been opening. Because for me, I've just been waiting for Cross Spirits release, which, if you saw the secret rare reveals for that, you know why I'm waiting. But, whatever. 1, 2, 3. Phoebe, Carnivine, Gligar, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Murkrow, Sizzlipede, and Salazzle. One, two, three, four. Fighting Energy. Bruno. Mustard. Morpeko. Cacnea. Pawniard. Timber. Tepig. Glameow. Indeedee. And Drampa. That thing was always so weird to me. Love that Pokemon though. Indeedee's adorable. Yeah, let me know. Have you guys pulled anything cool from this set? If you watched the first opening I did for this, which I think actually is my only, I pulled the Rapid Strikes, right there. Forgive me, I can't speak today. Rapid Strike Urshifu. Alternate, that card is just gorgeous. So if I could somehow get the Tyranitar next, it will be one happy me, that's for sure. Cubone. Pawniard, Honchkrow, and another Octillery. That was one thing I heard about this set, is that it has a lot of duplicates, which honestly I was really hesitant to open this anyways, because these were from a booster box, but I wanted to keep it sealed. But in the end it was just not meant to be. Okay, Leaf Energy, Doublade, Cacturne, Rapid Strike Style Mustard, Esper, Shinx, Blipbug, Pawniard, Mankey, Onix, and another Marowak. Holy cow. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but look at the edges. I know this set was also notorious for being really bad quality, which I'm hoping for Evolving Skies it's not going to be that bad. Hopefully nothing like Chilling Reign. That set was absolutely horrible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, EXP Share, Carkle, Dottler, never seen that before, Galarian Slowpoke, Corphish, Salandit, Roly-Poly, Esper, Escape Rope, and Conkeldurr. Such a fun name to say. Alright, last pack. Let's end with something good. And yeah, if you're the one getting these codes, let me know. What are you getting from the packs? I'm curious. Alright. Water Energy. Cheryl. Eatmore. Tower of Darkness. Sizzlipede. Baltoy. Timber. Corphish. Cacnea. Blipbug. And ooh, a Victini VMAX. That's pretty. And a nice way to end the video. How do you look? It's okay for that, except for that little spot right there. Well, yeah, it doesn't look horrible. Alright. Definitely not a bad way to end. So go through them real quick, because, I don't know, nothing else to look through. Escape Rope, Onix, Punchpro, Octillery, Indeedee, Morpeko, Octillery, again, and Shinx. Alright, well, if you made it this far, consider liking, subscribing, all that nonsense. Oh, don't forget about Blipbug. Blipbug needs love too. Anyways, thanks for watching.